guys, and welcome to Christmas with Crystal. We're making these boxes today. Oh yeah, let's go. Okay guys, hey, so we're gonna get started with making this. I have my 12-inch dowels here, so I'm gonna make that one as a demonstration for you. So you're gonna take 4 dowels and you're gonna join them like so with your glue gun. So let's get started. I'm gonna put a dot of glue here. I'm just showing you how I'm joining it, and then I'm going to make sure and rest it down so it gets at a perfect angle. So you see how we joined this one on the outside and then this one on the inside? This one is now going to be on the outside and this one will be on the inside. So let's do that. Make sure the edges are perfect. And then this one will be on the inside of this one and the outside of this one. And that's how we're going to make it. So it's like this, and make sure and leave it on top of your surface so that you ensure that it's flat at the bottom, because it has to be very flat at the bottom. Yeah, so let's just join these other two. So now we have a perfect square, and I'm just going to make another one of these and then we're going to put them together. So I'm just going to put this one to the side. So we have 2 perfect squares. If you see, I have 2, but it looks like 1 because that's how well you have to make it. It has to be a perfect square. So I'm going to put one down and put one aside. And now we're going to actually make the uprights for it. So you're going to put 2 here and 2 here. So let's do that. Now I'm actually gonna do some additional uprights in the middle of all of them, just to make sure, because this is the largest box. This is actually the 12 by 12 box, so we want to make it as sturdy as possible so that it lasts for years. Right, so we have our base box with all the uprights, and now I'm going to take the top and install it on the top of it like so. Oh my god, so I made a box. This is so cool. I'm gonna put some extra glue on all the corners just to support the structure, and then I'm gonna make all the other boxes. Okay guys, oh my gosh, okay, this is so cool. So I have done the 12-inch box. So I have the 12-inch, I did an 8-inch, 6-inch, and a 4-inch. They're all really well done. They stuck together really nicely. I had no real issues, other than what I would recommend is probably use a T-square to make sure your edges are straight, because in one of them the edges didn't line up perfectly, but I just stuck the upright a bit on the inside, so it fixed the problem. But it's done. The only one you need to put support brackets in my opinion, will be the 12-inch one, because you know that's pretty big. But otherwise, we're good. Let's go paint these. Okay guys, I'm all set and ready to spray paint my boxes. I have my gloves on because I don't play with spray paint, and I have a really cool spray paint here, so I'm going to spray paint all of these gold. I made sure and protect my surface with a garbage bag. I just opened a huge garbage bag, and now I'm going to spray paint all of these boxes that I just built, starting with Mr. 4-inch. All right guys, so we've gotten all of our boxes set up, so let's cover these. Okay, so let's go ahead and we're going to cover this 4-inch box here. Okay, mark up the mesh on your box, cut off the excess, put hot glue all over the edges of your box like so, and stick your mesh on like so, being careful with the hot glue of course. So just hold it at the edges
see we have two sides of our box covered. Now we're just going to put a covering over all the way around here and leave the bottom open so we can stick the lights up inside. And we have one fully covered box. It is so cute. And if you see any extras, anything sticking out, just snip, snip, snip and keep snipping around until you have everything, you know, neatly done like so. So I'm gonna go ahead and cover the rest of the boxes.
All right, guys, so we are done. I got all 4 of them all wrapped up like little presents. It is so cute. Now it's just to add some gorgeous ribbon.
All right, guys, so let's get to adding our ribbon. So I'm gonna use my ruler to stick this down. I'm gonna leave it here. I'm gonna just put a little bit of glue on the actual ribbon and make sure it's in the middle of 3. Stick it onto there. We're gonna go over the top. Down the other side. And that's it.
I can't even begin to tell you how cute these things look. They are everything that is great about Christmas. So let's do bows for the top, then we're gonna light it, and then we're gonna see how it looks right next to the Christmas tree.
So let's do this one. This is the 6-inch, which means you want a nice big bow on top. So I'm gonna measure it at 12 inches because we know it's gonna overlap a little bit. And yeah, that's a good size bow. I'm gonna cut. Use this one to cut another piece. And we're gonna put some glue, seal it shut. Put some glue on this one as well. Seal it shut. Fold this like so. Take one of your ornament hooks, open it, put it on, twist it. Put a dot of glue, stick it onto this one like so. Open these sections, so you're just opening them to make it look nice and full, and that's why you need wired ribbon. You cannot do this with regular ribbon, right? And then you folding this up, and then you're sticking this down here like so. So remember to add a little piece on top like this.
Okay guys, now I'm gonna light the gift boxes. So you take one string of lights, you leave the end that has the hook outside, and you start just literally stringing the lights inside. And I'm gonna use, once again, ornament hooks.
So I'm gonna take my light string and twist it. So I'm stopping here. I'm hooking the ornament hook onto this. I'm bringing my lights and then just twisting and locking the lights into place. Then I'm going to keep stringing lights all over this. So I'm going to string lights like on this side. Then I'm going to take another ornament hook, hook it onto the wooden dowel. So I'm passing it. So I'm passing it behind, hooking the light onto it, and then bringing it forward and twisting it so it stays in place. On this side, make sure and hook it onto all 4 sides. And I'm going to take the same light string and try to string it through the others, because these boxes usually sit very close together.
So I got one string of lights strung in between these four boxes. So let's go install it and see how it looks. So excited. Look at that. That is so awesome. You have to try it. And if you try it, let me know in the comment section. And if you like this video, feel free to actually like it. Subscribe to the channel if you like the content. And have a Merry Christmas and stay crafty, my friends.